Very good morning, students. Today in this class, we will talk about the hot weather season, or in the common language, we call it the summers, which have a period from March to May. The most common features of the hot weather season, that summer, it is the hottest of the four temperate seasons, and normally it starts from the month of March and continues up to May. The date of the beginning of summer varies according to climate, tradition, and culture. And the striking thing to know is that when it is summers in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa. Furthermore, major characteristics of summers, that there is rise in temperature and fall in pressure. The summer months experience rising temperature and falling air pressure in the northern part of the country. Towards the end of May, an elongated low pressure area develops in the region extending from the Thar Desert in the northwest to Patna and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east and southeast, and the circulation of air begins to set in around this trough. So what happens कि मई के ऑलमोस्ट आसपास जो हमारा नॉर्थ इंडिया है उसमें एक लो प्रेशर एरिया जो है वो डेवलप हो जाता है. और वो लो प्रेशर एरिया क्यों डेवलप होता है? बिकॉज द टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज. जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है तो जो एयर प्रेशर है वो कम हो जाता है. सो ये जो लो प्रेशर एरिया डेवलप होता है, इट एक्सटेंड्स फ्रॉम थार डेजर्ट, जैसे कि राजस्थान से लेकर ऑलमोस्ट छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो या हम बिहार का जो एक्सटेंट है वहाँ तक ये फैला होता है. सो देयर इज अ स्टडी इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ विद हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर इन द इंटीरियर. जितना हम कंट्री के इंटीरियर में जाते हैं नदर्न इंडिया में, उतना टेम्परेचर जो है वो ज़्यादा होता है. और सेम सीज़न में द नॉर्थ इंडिया इज़ हॉटर देन द साउथ इंडिया. साउथ इंडिया बीइंग क्लोज टू द सी, क्योंकि वहाँ ओशंस या सी पास में है तो उनके कारण वहाँ पर एक मॉडरेटिंग इफेक्ट होता है क्लाइमेट का, विच इज़ एब्सेंट इन नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो नॉर्थ इंडिया जो है वो हॉटर होते हैं, ज़्यादा गर्म होते हैं समर्स में, और जो साउथ इंडिया है वो कंपैरेटिवली कूलर, और वी कैन से कि दे हैव द मॉडरेटिंग अफेक्ट. सो लो प्रेशर एरिया इज़ क्रिएटेड ऑन लैंड, क्योंकि लैंड का जो टेम्परेचर है वो ज़्यादा है, एंड द हाई प्रेशर इज़ देयर ऑन सराउंडिंग सीज. जब टेम्परेचर कम होगा तो प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा, जब टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होगा तो प्रेशर जो है वो कम होगा. सो नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड्स जो हैं दे ब्लो फ्रॉम साउथ ईस्ट टू नॉर्थ वेस्ट इन सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर, एंड दीज आर अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स इंडियन mainland. This marks the end of summer season and the southwest monsoon set in the month of June. So extendedly March से शुरू होकर this season extends to June. If we talk about the crops which are grown during this season, mainly is the Z crops. What is the Z crops? In between the Rabi and the Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as the Z season. Z crops, these are grown mainly from March to June. Some of the crops that are produced during Z are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, fodder crops and sugarcane. ये सारी जो क्रॉप्स हैं ये ज़ैद क्रॉप्स कही जाती हैं, एंड दीज आर ग्रोन इन द समर सीजन. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर कौन कौन से ये क्रॉप्स हैं जो ज़ैद सीजन में ग्रो की जाती हैं. वाटरमेलन, bitter gourd, muskmelon, cucumber. These are a very commonly grown crops. Now, further features are there which are very uh, particular to the season is the mango showers or rains. It is a colloquial term to describe the occurrence of pre-monsoon rainfall. Sometimes these rains are referred to generally as April rains or summer showers. They are notable across much of South and Southeast Asia, including India and Cambodia. See what happens that towards the close of the summer season, these pre-monsoon showers, these are common especially in Kerala and Karnataka, and they help in the early ripening of mangoes, and so they are very often referred to as the mango showers. One more striking feature of hot weather season is the loo. It is a strong, hot and dry summer wind from the west which blows over the western Indo-Gangetic plain region of North India and Pakistan. These are the strong, hot, dry winds, and these blow during the day over the north and northwestern India. Sometimes they even continue until late in the evening, and the direct exposure to these winds may even prove to be fatal. It is especially strong in the months of May and June, and as already said that due to its very high temperatures, exposure to it often leads to fatal. Since it causes extremely low humidity and high temperatures, the loo also has a severe drying effect on vegetation, leading to widespread browning in the areas affected by it during the months of May and June. And many dust storms. Dust storms are very common during the month of May in the northern India. These storms bring temperature relief as they lower the temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze. This is also the season for the localized thunderstorms associated with violent winds, torrential downpours often accompanied by hails. In West Bengal, these storms are known as the Kal Baisakhi calamity for the month of Baisakh. So, how to get protected from the loo? You can see it's looking so tempting, and these are the best measures to get protected from the loo. So here we complete the hot weather season, and in the next class we will cover the topic cold weather season.